Hi guys, today I'm celebrating my first 100 subscribers. I am so happy. I am so happy. I've been on YouTube now since March 27. Today's June 28th, I think, 28th. So that's 1 month, pretty much 1 month, and 100 subscribers. Well, this is a big deal for me. It's a very big deal. So I'm going to share with you how I got my 100 subscribers, right? How I got these first 100. So I think the first 20 to 30 were from friends, really close friends and family. I just said, give me your support, go watch the video. I did a couple of videos first and I said, watch these, see if you like it, and just give me your support. Subscribe to my channel. So mom, sisters, aunts, family. I think those first 20 to 30 came from very close friends and family. The next set, and these, everything after that, I'm not able to tell you how many are that, but these are just all the people who I reached out to. My Facebook friends. So I would share the video on Facebook and I would say, I'm a YouTuber, go and check out my video and please subscribe. So some friends, some friends subscribed. I'm not able to tell you how many of the 100 were Facebook friends, but I definitely got support from my friends, because I usually make Facebook posts and my friends will say, your posts are so funny, your posts are so inspiring, your posts are so encouraging, and I learn from them. And one or two would say, have you ever thought of going on YouTube? Now, I've always considered being a YouTuber. I just was stalling until this last month, I said, you know what, I'm ready. I am absolutely ready. I'm not very techy, so the phone that I had prior to this one, I don't think it would have been able to do the videos, to be honest. And it just so happened that phone got damaged, and I went to a store at the mall and I told the guy I need a phone, right? And I was taking one similar to the one I had, which was, it couldn't do much, because to me phones, I just need them to send calls, receive calls, and a couple messages. That's all I figured I needed a phone to do. And the guy said, well, you're a teacher, and I know sometimes you teachers take pictures and you want them printed. Why don't you take this phone that I have now? And I thought about it. I mean, it was more expensive, and I said, okay. And that moment made such a difference. That moment was responsible for me having a YouTube channel right now and 100 subscribers. And after 1 month of being on YouTube, 78 videos, all because of that suggestion that store, that manager made to me. If I had taken a phone like the little one I had, I would not be on YouTube now. I would not have 78 videos. So bear in mind the importance that one little suggestion the difference that one simple casual suggestion can make. So I'm saying thanks to the guy in iTech Computers. Thank you for making that suggestion to me. So yeah, the Facebook friends, they certainly gave me their support, because they have always been reading my posts and find it so humorous, so inspiring, and they were ready and willing to go over to the YouTube channel and check out the videos, because they were expecting much of the same. Hopefully I have delivered, and well, I've been getting good responses so far. The next set of persons I reached out to were those on my WhatsApp contacts. So I operate a school, so there's a WhatsApp group for the school, and I have other friends on WhatsApp. So I just send out some videos, those early videos, send them out and say, please subscribe. So far, these are all persons who I am familiar with. No strangers, persons in my contacts, persons on my Facebook. Just send them out and urging them to subscribe, right? They already know me, they already know what my content is going to be, pretty much, right? And they did. I also selected some persons from my email contacts, right? Again, people who I'm familiar with, no strangers. So there are also some Facebook groups that I'm on. I'm on some mom groups. I am on, my past students association groups. I'm on groups having to do with Black consciousness. I'm on groups having to do with Jamaican lifestyle, Caribbean lifestyle. So whenever I would do a video that was pertaining to that, I would share the video in those groups. So if I did something that had to do with parenting, I would share it to the mom groups. If I had something that had to do with Black consciousness, I'd share it to that group. Anything about my school days, I would share it to the school group. And today, my most popular video, I think 600 and odd views and climbing, was a simple video that I did about something that happened at school. The title of that video was "The Nun Caught Us in the Cupboard." And it was my principal, we were hiding from mass, and my principal caught us in the cupboard. As simple as that, and that's my most popular video, still is today, 600 and odd views and climbing. Right? Anything about Jamaican life, I would share it to the Jamaican group or the Caribbean group. And so these are persons who are already interested in that topic. So they would more be willing to watch the video, and you'd get some subscribers from that. Right? So you have to think smart and just think human interest. What are people interested in? Find the groups that will be interested. So when I did the video about giving birth to my baby in my bathroom, clearly I would share that to the mom group, right? Or stuff like that. You would find those who are already interested in that topic, share it, and you're more likely to get subscribers from them. Now, I also went to a couple of my neighbors, not many, the direct neighbors and those who I would have to pass, going to the bus stop. So people again who I know, and stop them and say, I have a channel, I have a YouTube channel. Would you mind watching the videos, subscribing, leave a comment, give me some feedback? And they did. Now, I had some business cards that I had printed to promote my school, to promote the tutoring that I do. And I had some left back. I had about 50 business cards left back in the drawer. And I took them out. Now the name of this channel is the one I've been promoting. I have 6 channels. For the past month, I've been focusing on this channel, which is Kamaudacity. So on the business card, I'd have my name, Kamau Mahakoe. And what I did, I just extended the Kamau and fill in the letters to spell Kamaudacity at the top of the business card. I'm saying I'm not going to let these business cards go to waste. I'm going to use them up to promote my channel. So I just extended the word to Kamaudacity. And I went to the supermarket, I went to the pharmacy, I went to the stores that I always go to. So these people are very familiar with me. And in my community, many people are already familiar with me based on the work that I do at the school and with my homeschooling my children. So they know me. So I would go up to them and give them the card and show them this is the word you type in, because everything else on the card is printed, but the addition to my name is in pen, right? So I have to point out to them, this is what you type in, go and search. Any store that I always go, any restaurants that I go, I just give out the card and I tell them, please check out my channel and subscribe. So also I go jogging in the mornings. So when I go jogging, persons on the field are familiar with me, right? Because every morning we jog together. So I would give them the card as well. When the cards run out, I just write the name of the channel, give it to them. So when you get home, check it out. Give me a comment, give me a feedback, please subscribe. So that is what I have done for this past month, and I am so pleased with my efforts. Today I'm able to celebrate 100 subscribers. Certainly a long way to go. I would very much like to be monetized, so you know my target is at least 1,000 subscribers. I'm on the way. Good way to go, but I'm all for it. I'm heading there. I am going to get my 1,000 subscribers. This is my first 100, and this is how I got them. I hope I have inspired you. You know, if you're just starting out, there are persons with thousands and thousands of subscribers. So this is by no means the standard. But you know, everybody is proud when they get their first 100. So we're celebrating every milestone, every step along the way. We're celebrating. This is how I did it for the first 100. Try it and see. Maybe you can get your first 100 if you're just heading out as I am. So take care. If you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you make 101, huh?